Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see your Snapchat call history. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android. At the top left corner of the screen, tap your profile icon. Then, in the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open your settings. Scroll down until you find the privacy control section and select the My Data option. Snapchat will ask you to log in again to access your data. After logging in, you will see several options to export your Snapchat information. Make sure chat history is selected, along with any other data you want to include. Next, tap Next, and choose the date range for your export. You can select the last week, month, year, or all time. Once selected, tap Submit. Snapchat will begin preparing your data, which includes your call history, and will send it to your email. After receiving the email, return to Snapchat settings, go to My Data, and tap See Exports. Download the file. Now go to your files, and there you will find the file you downloaded. Open it to see your call history. So that's basically how you can see your Snapchat call history. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.